अगरवाडेकर घर जमीनदोस्त प्रकरणातली आरोपी पूजा शर्मा हांच्या अटकपूर्व जामिनाच्या अर्जाचेर फायनल ऑर्डर आज 10 जुलयाक नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन कोर्टान आयली। चौकशी दरम्यान पूजा शर्मा ह्या प्रकरणात भागीदारी ना जाल्यार तिने सेटलमेंट करपाक आपलो मनीस कित्याक अगरवाडेकरांकडेन धाडलो असो प्रश्न तांकां कोर्टान फाटल्या सुनावणे वेळार केल्लो। त्या भायर कोर्टाच्या आदेशा शिवाय कोणाक घरांतल्यान भायर काडपाक मेळना। मागीर बेकायदेशीरपणान अगरवाडेकरांचे घर मोडपाक कित्याक हात घालो असोय प्रश्न पूजा कोर्टान विचारिल्लो। दोन्ही बाजू लक्षात घेता शेवटचो निर्णय हो आज 10 जुलयाक कोर्टान सांगलो। त्या प्रमाण पूजा शर्माचो अटकपूर्व जामिनाचो अर्ज कोर्टान मान्य केलो ना। ताची एंटिसिपेटरी बेल ऍप्लिकेशन कोर्टान रिजेक्ट केली।
Sir, bail has been dismissed today.
Yeah, I do not know why, because we have to get a copy of the order. We are informed that order is ready. We will apply for a certified copy immediately.
Sir, as the bail has been dismissed, so your client will appear before the IO or you will approach the higher
Let
court?
us see, it is for my client to decide. But as far as I understand, I always thought nobody is above the law. Law is above all. I am disturbed by that, by hearing this order.
Sir, do you see any reason behind this order?
Huh?
Do you see any specific reason behind this order?
According to me, there was every reason to grant bail. But then this has happened.
Okay.
So, do you think there still political pressure is there?
I don't know, but somebody may just bow down to political pressure externally also when there is no pressure. Because of politics, politicians, it's like that.
Thank you, sir. But
There are only some judges who consider that the law is above all, nothing is above law.
You also said that she will be available if you want to, she can come and.
Yeah, she can come. We said that don't arrest me, grant me bail, I will come and depose or give statement. That was what we had said.
Now she is in Mumbai.
She must be in Bombay because that is her residence. I don't know. It's for her to decide what's that.
So, what could be a reason why it is dismissed here?
I will have to imagine, I don't know, I have to read. After I read the reasons, I can say something about it.
okay. Thank you. Thank you.
आसागांव डिमॉलिश केस हे बरे चर्चेन आशिल्ले आनी आमी पळयलां CM आमदार आनी थंयचे सगळे थळ आनी सगळ्यांचो लक्ष हे केसीचेर आशिल्ले आनी आमी आतां डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन कोर्टाच्या भायर आसा आनी आतांच जजान दोनी सायडीक आर्ग्युमेंट आयकले दोनी लॉयर्सांचे आनी आज तेजो निकाल दिलो आनी जे पूजा शर्मान एंटिसेप्टरी बेलाक एप्लाय केल्ले आनी आज तेजी बेल डिसमीस जाले। अशेंच अपडेटा खातीर पळयत रावात इन गोवा।